Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I will like to show you the way how you can set your front camera to be mirror or unmirror. So let's just open the camera of our phone first to check. So here is the front camera. As you can see now, this is mirror look. So this is my middle finger is already in the left side, so whenever we take a capture of it, let's just check. The picture result is different. So now you can see that my middle finger is already in right side. So it means that this picture or my front camera is not in a mirror. How to set it into mirror? Just go tap into the settings. Now you just need to scroll all the way down until you found a camera. Now just tap on it and just go scrolling down until you got the compositions, and then you just need to turn on the mirror front camera. And right after that, let's just check for the result. Open your camera and then let's just take a picture and take a result. You'll see now it's already mirror. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy this. And if you still have some questions, just drop me in the comment sections below. Don't forget to turn on the notification section for upcoming videos. Thank you for watching, and let's meet again into other tutorial.